What's up YouTube? Nate here with Teaching Technology, and I have another unboxing video for you this week. I own a tech integration company where we help clients implement technology into their homes and businesses. We do everything from networking to AV to security and full automation systems. Like I said, but in previous videos, I have the best job in the world. I get to play with all the new tech and all the new toys that come out. So let's dive into these boxes and see what's going out this week. We have a pretty eclectic mix of different types of products in these orders for this week. We have a trim out for a pre-wire home that we did about 4 months ago that is in the drywall process right now. So we have all of the finishing products. I promise I will get better at filming these, but we have some Lutron wall plates, or they house the Pico remotes. That is a Lutron hub for the Cassetta line of products. Looks like we have a fan kit for the rack. We have some previous videos where we have used the Tech Mojo rack. We use strong racks as well. This one is using an Avaro rack. It does not come with the fan, which is why we ordered a separate fan to install in it. Let's see, in this one we have a wire path patch panel. In a recent video, I kind of went through the pros and cons of using a punch down patch panel versus a keystone patch panel. I'm assuming these orders were placed a few weeks ago before we really made the switch just to using keystone panels. So these boxes, I already know what's in them. There are multiple of them. These are Sonos amps. I'll throw a picture in that we used for some promo of all of these amps stacked up. This is a very large house deployment. I want to say there's 10 total in the house. Big old stack of amps. So that is going to create 10 individual zones of audio for the client. Not including the sound bars that are going to some of the dedicated TVs. So I guess technically each sound bar counts as a zone in the Sonos app. So in total, I think that house will have 14 zones of audio. I'm just removing the other boxes there of Sonos amps. Figured there was no point in opening the same thing twice. Let's see, I do not remember what was in this one after when I'm doing this recording, but I do remember it being heavy. Oh, okay, so we have some of the mounts. So we use strong TV mounts for the most part. We'll also use Chief mounts. So the first one there is one of their slim articulating. This is a watt box, and it looks like I do open it up so I can kind of show you what it is. This is an IP controlled power supply, or like a surge protector essentially. So it allows us to put IP connection to it, and we can remotely manage anything that's plugged into it. That will be rack mounted, so that will take over all of the Unify equipment and the NVR that we'll be using for the cameras. This house has a full Bowers & Wilkins audio deployment that we did. That was a sub amp that's going to power just the individual subs. And then that last piece was another TV mount, also made by Strong. And this last box here, we get a lot of them. I do know exactly what it is a Sonos Arc, which is Sonos's largest soundbar. As you can see, and as we'll kind of do more of these videos, you'll see we're big fans of Sonos. You really can't beat the ease of setup and the client usability at the end. So this is the largest one out of their suite of soundbars. That is all the boxes for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments what you want to see more of.